अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूँ जम्मोंगा में जुमे की नमाज़ पढ़ चुका हूँ। तो आज के व्लॉग में अभी हमने खाना ढूंढ रहा है। मैंने नमाज़ पढ़ी है ग्रैंड मस्जिद बाबरा। जी हाँ, ग्रैंड मस्जिद बाबरा में मैंने नमाज़ पढ़ी है। तो अभी मुझे खाना तलाश करना है। तो वी कैन फाइंड सम रेस्टोरेंट ही। हाँ ना, हियर इज द लॉन्ड्री टू यू सी। हाँ ने द लॉन्ड्री, दिस वाज बेटर वी कैन इजीली पिक अप फ्रॉम हियर। There is Malal burger, buy one take one free. And what is this? Shanty eatery. Hana? Something to eat here also. You wanna try? No, I wanna try now. I'm hungry. Or should you look something else? Is there space? Or should we be walking? No, I wanna try now some local food. Local. I'm in a mood of local food today. Yeah, there's no space. I'm looking. What was he? Halal burger, buy one take one free. No way. And what is this? It's also full here, but there's some delicious food, but no space inside. Hello. Okay, we'll find another place. Okay, Hannah. What is it? Can you find here something to eat? Right here? Is there some space? Let's go inside. Ask them it's halal or not. Hi. Is it halal? Halal?
Halal.
Halal. Halal. Halal, okay. Sit down there, read something. Oh, you have the menu. The menu. What is that? This one.
69 and 79.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is chicken?
Yes, chicken.
Chicken. One minute. Hana? Hana, only chicken available, no fish. Only chicken. You wanna try here? Only chicken. Thank you very much. We are looking for fish. Let's find fish there. Only chicken available, no fish. Only one dish, chicken and rice, that's all. I want to eat something more, some fish, some, side dishes, some local food more, understand? And what is there also? Hana, we can withdraw Gcash, okay, first? You can ask this shop, do they have Gcash withdraw here? Here's some good like fresh barbecue. Let's try something here. I'm liking this one, it's like fresh. Finally find something better. Also we can have some, this bubble milk tea. We just buy 2 bubble milk tea. Wow, just looking quite nice and yummy. Halal? Halal. Jazakallah. Huh? Order one. Okay. Order the food. I don't know how to order. Yeah. And what tea you wanna drink? Taro, matcha, strawberry, chocolate mouse. You want Okinawa? What drink you want? Okinawa or Hokkaido?
Just for me.
Let's just take like one cappuccino and one what is it called? Hokkaido. Japanese word. Okay. Is that okay? And one cappuccino. Okay. Yeah. One small Hokkaido and one small cappuccino.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Sorry. One Hokkaido and one chocolate mouse. No need cappuccino. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Sit down, Hannah. Anywhere you want.
Here, what?
Okay, thank you.
Wait.
It's okay. Thank you. खाना और हमें जगह मिल गई है खाना खाने की। तो अभी हम यहाँ पे खाना खाते हैं बैठ के। खाना हमें जगह मिल गई है ना? We found the place, right? Sit down. So finally we found a place to sit and eat, and we ordered 2 small one. Small one is better, you know, we can try both taste. And Hannah ordered a rice food. I don't know how to order that one. You choose for me. I don't.
For you to
Okay.
and 3 rice.
2 rice is enough here. We will eat more. So another go shop, another find we eat more. 1, 2. Okay, let's come and choose. Hannah, your food. When is this?
How many?
2 for you. Total 4. 2 for me, 2 for her.
Okay.
This one only. No. अपन यहाँ पे खाना खाने आए जुम्मे की नमाज़ के बाद। ये पता नहीं क्या चरगा बना रहे हैं, जो भी बना रहे हैं, मेरा तो नहीं बना रहे ना, अपन तो खाएगा। काफ़ी दिखने में अच्छा लग रहा है, सर बताऊँ तो ये इसका नाम है दुकान का। यहाँ पे अपन खाना खाने आया है। ये अपन जम्बोंगा में है। अपन ने अभी तक कोई बोंगी मारी नहीं है जम्बोंगा में। इसको तो नाज़रीन मैंने ये 2 चुने, 2 मैंने अपने वाइफ के लिए, 2 मैंने अपने लिए ये चुने, ये पीस चिकन के। पिछली बार मैंने बड़े वाला लिया था, खाया नहीं जाता।